Arcano Studios.
LTASC. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going. Some sounds can be short, like Janisco's pooping sound effect. Some sounds could be medium, like Roxana Lovely's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects can be long, like Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
And today's sound effect we're going to talk about is the water sound effect from HX Zuko, and the character is IRL Noella. Hello everybody, IRL Noella here, and today I'm going to talk about the water sound effect from HX Zuko. It's from a video called Gacha P2. It was uploaded last year on 2024, March 13th. The duration of the sound effect from this video is 121 to 125. The total seconds are 4. The lofi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like. See? That's what it sounds like. This sound effect is used for water ambiences, etc. Remember kids, if you want to use this sound effect, use it in your videos, but be sure to give credit to HX Zuko before using her sound effect. Also, I will link this video right here, and it will be in the description below. The sound effect starts at 121 and ends at 125. Make sure you remove the lofi music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later in a few more episodes of Season 5.